I, like most people, have had quite an adventure this year.
Went through a lot of different trials and emotions.
So it was all very difficult.
The future is uncertain and that it's okay to be nervous.
I think a lot of times we take for granted just being able to wake up in the morning.
It's been a tough year. This pandemic has made me appreciate small things in life.
My husband lost his job. He was there for the last 11 years.
My dad passed away right as COVID started.
And I lost my younger sister due to COVID. And Sephora was beyond supportive.
When I started my transition, Sephora was the first place that became my safe haven.
Sephora came together as a community before a company. It meant a lot for me as a person of color.
But early summer, Sephora came up with 4 days working program, which was very helpful.
We really got the chance to reconnect with each other.
Me being able to cook with my daughter, do makeup together.
Art and craft, yoga, dancing.
And I've been given many opportunities to work in several different roles throughout my career.
It was literally the only place I was able to leave my house with makeup on and not feel judged. It truly embodies a family and growth. I would never take that for granted.
I've worked with this company for 15 years. The same passion and connection still lives today.
There's Sephora communities, Sephora Cares.
I am a founding member of Womanhood Tech Group.
Sephora has launched the Green Team.
I'm so thankful that Sephora has the Sephora In program.
I'm so grateful to work from home so that I can spend time with Bree.
I'm grateful for my mom.
I'm grateful for my health.
And I'm grateful I'm with all my family and we are all together.
I am grateful for a second chance of being me.
I'm very grateful and thankful for Sephora because besides having a family on my own, I have my own work family that loves and cares about me.
Continue to be kind.
Try to laugh at least once a day.
I just hope you have an amazing rest of the year.
We truly all do belong to something beautiful.